Ashana, I'm doing your screencast to see how you rank in Google for your particular business, which was a little bit challenging for me because I didn't really know how to search for your company. So I did a couple searches. One was healing crystal bowl music, and the other was crystal singing bowls. And there was a couple other searches just getting started just to see where I could find you. And with this healing crystal bowl music, you are actually really good. There's first couple are YouTube's discussion and forum. YouTube, you're on the YouTube right there, the sound of Ashana. And then after the YouTube videos, you're number one with with that search. And you're number four in the YouTube listings. So that's really, really a good spot to be in. Definitely can find you on the crystal bowl, the crystal singing bowls. I didn't see you on there at all, but that's like there's a bunch of places selling them and that kind of thing. I did, there was one other search that I did earlier that had crystal singing bowls, these guys here, the crystal tones, where they ranked number one and you ranked number five. So that's why I picked them, because they were number one in this. And your website is gorgeous. I mean, it is really beautiful. Nice. Okay, so I like it. You have everything here is right. Everything's good. Let's look at your metrics, okay? Soundofashana.com. Your domain rating, which is basically trust rating of your website, is at 26, which is good score. And your URL, which is backlinks and that kind of things that connect to your website, is at 18. Search engines like those numbers to be within five of each other, and you're just a little outside that, but it's not terrible. You have 1,200 backlinks, and in the last 30 days, you got 263 more, and 8 more referring domains in the last 30 days. So that's really good. Whatever's happening, or whoever you got working for on your website, is doing what they're supposed to do. The keywords, you're at 300. So you're down 45 in the last month, because these little numbers here are within the last 30 days, changes in the last 30 days. I like to look at that. The traffic looks like it's 164 clicks a month, and the value of each click, that's what my Hrefs, which is the software I'm using, that's what they think your value is, at $49 per click. And that's pretty good. I mean, it's really, everything's looking great in that regard. With Crystal Singing Bowls, I think it's just a catalog of getting all kinds of different types of bowls and what have you. A lot less on their website. Where they're really doing good is, you see these dark things. They're internal links, and they're also keywords. Let's look at their metrics just to see what they're doing as opposed to you. It's not really that much better. And the search was, I'll find it before we get done. 46 domain rating against the URL of 21. Like I said, that's a big split. They have 782 backlinks, and they're not nearly like you have 1,200. 240 referring domains, and you have 135. So I think this is where they're coming in ahead. They have 1,100 keywords there. Their traffic value is like 1.6 thousand a month, with each click being worth to them $930. They do pay for a lot of their stuff, so they have ads out there, and it's giving them a little bit of traffic. Whatever they're paying for doesn't seem to be doing what their organic is doing. So that's basically what where you're at. You look great. These metrics really look good. These could tighten up a little bit, and that's basically doing more blog posts, blogs, linking back from YouTube, linking back from Facebook or wherever you have your social media back to your website. Go ahead and include it in all of that. I did want to see what that other search was that oh, it didn't have it. Oh well, I don't have the history. Crystal singing bowl music. I think that was oh, you're right there, number 2 under the YouTube video. So really, Ashana, your SEO looks like it's doing great, and continue doing those things. Maybe a couple more blog posts or videos, and link them back to your website, and you should be good to go for ranking even higher. But whatever search that they do, you're definitely in there. You're in the running. So kudos to you, and I'll see you soon.